Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mas Agus Muhammad Fahim Rahmatullah. My student number is 202431168. In this video, I will show you guys how to, I'm not only showing, I'm just show and explain the SQL syntax and how to use some how to make a database, how to make a table, how to uh, modification the table, how to input in the table, and how to show the query of the table. Okay, okay. Let me explain it from now. At the first, when we open our command prompt, we usually going to the user's path. So we need to going out from the path. We use the cd or change directory with two dots. So we can go back from Fahim and go to user. Uh, and next, we need to go out from users too. So cd change directory dot dot, and we go back to C. Okay, and the next we're going to MySQL. We use the change directory without the double dot, and we go to the MySQL. When we are ready to MySQL, we're going to cd bin. We're going to bin. So change directory bin. When we already get inside the bin, we can open our MySQL with the syntax MySQL strip u root strip pay. Pay is for the password. P is for the password. And we already get inside the MariaDB monitor. This is the lookup for the MariaDB. And after we get inside the MariaDB, the first step is based on the uh, based on this practicum uh, soal. Okay, we need to create the database with the format student number, laporan, and one. Here we make I'll make the database with the function of create database with my student number, laporan, and one. Okay. If already shows query okay, one row affected, it means we're successful. Okay, the next is we need to use the database because we are only create, not use here. After we already create, we need to use to student up use the database, but this is some typo. It must be laporan, but I'll type laparan. So we need to type it again, use the function of use the database name, and it already database changed. When we already get inside to the database, we need to create the table. I use the function of the create table, and the name of the table is catalog film. Inside of the catalog film, we need wait, this one is the typo and miss create table. Wait, I'll scroll until the right one. Okay. Okay, this one is the right one. Uh, we make we use the syntax create table catalog film, and we make seven one two three four five six seven variables. The first is ID film with the data type uh data type integer. I'll make it auto increment so we don't need to input the data further. And I'll make this as a primary key. And the next I'll use I'll make tanggal input with the data type date. because tanggal is date. Uh, and for the genre sutradara, platform tayang, rating usia, and status tayang, I'll use varchar because they're only filled with type, not usually not number or something, and we don't need to count it. But the length of the data is different. I'll make genre like 50, sutradara 30, and others. Okay, and query okay, no rows affected. Uh, but in this table, there must be a judul film, but I forget to input it. So I oh wait. After this, I'll make a alter table of the catalog film, and I'll add code film based on the soal. Add code film with park with the length of 20, and this must be unique because that was the says. Okay. Next, I need to input the data inside of the table, but I see there is no judul film. So I again and again I'll use the alter table catalog film, and I add judul film with the length of 150 varchar, and I'll put it after the ID film. So it will be the first here, and judul film tanggal input like that. So after this, I can easily input the data to the table. I'll use the syntax insert into and the name of the table, and the the variables tanggal input, judul film, genre, sutradara, platform, rating usia, status tayang, kode film, values, and it we need to get to input the data order by just the same this above. After 15 rows affected, we need to show the query of the data. So select. There is four that we need to show the query: ID film, judul film, code film, genre. But we need to get it from where? So we get it from catalog film, where the status tayang is selesai tayang because of this. Wait. Oke, hanya data dengan status selesai tayang. And the next is it must be ordered by ascending. So order by ID film, where the ID film ascending. So the query will shows like this: 1479. As you can see, the ID film was ascending from the smallest to largest, and others already shows perfectly. I think therefore my presentation and my explanation about this SQL. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.